Family law firms versus collaborative divorce services. Which one is better for couples? Most couples get this wrong by assuming all divorce processes are the same. The surprising truth is that family law firms and collaborative divorce services offer very different approaches, and choosing the right one can affect the emotional, financial, and legal outcome of your separation. Family law firms provide traditional legal representation. They offer expert advice on custody, property division, spousal support, and legal rights. In contentious or complex cases, a family law firm can negotiate, mediate, or represent you in court to protect your interests. For example, if there is a dispute over asset division or international child custody, hiring a family lawyer ensures your position is fully defended and legally enforceable. Collaborative divorce services, on the other hand, focus on a cooperative, non-adversarial approach. Both parties work with trained professionals including lawyers, financial advisors, and mediators to reach agreements without going to court. This method often reduces conflict, lowers costs, and preserves relationships, which is especially beneficial when children are involved. Couples have more control over outcomes and can craft tailored solutions that traditional courts may not provide. So, which is better? Family law firms are essential in high conflict or legally complex situations where protection and advocacy are critical. Collaborative services are ideal for couples seeking a respectful, cooperative separation, minimizing stress and litigation costs. Many couples start with collaborative methods and only turn to a law firm if negotiations fail. The key takeaway is that the divorce process should match your circumstances and priorities. The surprising truth is that choosing the right path can save not just money, but also emotional strain and family relationships. Whether through traditional legal representation or collaborative solutions, being informed allows couples to make choices that best protect their future and well-being.